Give me that fresh, give me that real. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel. Give me that fresh, give me that real. Give me that new vibe. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel. When I make moves, I make them exclusive. If I got a point, you know I'm gonna prove it. Only got one voice, so I'm gonna use it. If I gotta chase it, I'm not gonna choose it. I'm so nice, yeah, they love me. When you're in my light, it's stunning. Give me that top prize ranking, jackpot energy. I'm feeling lucky, feeling lucky. Give me that fresh, give me that real. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel. Give me that fresh, give me that real. Give me that new vibe. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel. Give me that fresh. Give me that fresh. Give me that new vibe. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel. Give me that fresh, give me that real. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel. Give me that fresh, give me that real. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel. Give me that fresh. Give me that fresh. Give me that fresh. Give me that new vibe, give me that feel.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my.
Promise ko, hindi naman ako masyadong magrereklamo. Alam ko mainipin ka, kaya pag sinabi mong magmadali ako, talagang magmamadali ako. Pag sinabi mong wala akong kwenta, sige tatango na lang ako. Pangakong mamahalin kita kahit mainit ang dugo mo. Kasi alam kong mas mainit ang pagmamahal mo.
Jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground in your sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Tol, kakasal ka na ya.
Siyempre.
Hallelujah.
Hindi pa, malayo pa ako, tol.
Hindi malapit na rin yan.
Oh my life, how do ya breathe and take my breath away?
Ano lang, thank you lang kasi kahit naman hindi kayo naging ito naman tayo buo. At yan pa rin yung dalawa. Hindi naman tayo ganun lagi magkakasama. Pero todo pa rin support niyo sa akin kahit anong mangyari. Yun lang.
Basta, I love you anak, yun lang. I love you lagi. Anak, magpakabait lagi at saka sana always healthy ang relationship. Yun lang. Yun lang, wala nang iba.
Sanctuary on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground on the sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch.
Hindi ko akalain na darating tayo sa point na ito, na ikaw na talaga yung mapapangasawa ko. From simpleng kulitan, kwentuhan, hanggang sa pagbuo natin ng sarili nating pamilya. Diba? Grabe, no? Ang galing ng plot twist ni Lord.
Until I saw your light, I thought you had to die to find something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me?
Pinapangako ko na ibabalik ko sa iyo ang lahat ng pasensya at pagmamahal na ibinibigay mo sa akin. At ngayong araw na to, buong puso kitang pinipili. Hindi lang dahil mahal kita, kundi dahil napatunayan mong hindi mo ako iiwan.
Papogi rin pagka may shades eh. Bagay makeup mo. Papogi rin. Rigo, mga kumbading, Rigo.
Every broken heart knows we were walking on moonlight. You pulled me
Bilang si Papa Indo mo, ang iyong postal parent mo, ang advice ko lang sa iyo, sana lawakan mo lalo ang pangunawa mo. Mga difficulty, kung may difficulties kayo sa buhay, pag-usapan nyo at lutasin nyo on that day, on that night para hindi na humaba pa.
So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye.
Ikaw ang pahinga ko, ang stress ko at ang lifetime subscription ko. Kahit alam kong habang buhay na akong magbabayad, ikaw pa rin ang best investment ko. Mahal na mahal kita, kahit minsan mas mahal mo ang nalilibre ka. Mga ninong, ninang, saksi kayo, mahal na mahal ko po siya kahit wala na po akong sweldo.
Smoke. You could lose everything. The truth. So I'll kiss you longer, babe. Any chance that I get, I'll make the
Tyrene, tandaan mo, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko kahit alam kong pikon ka. Simula ngayon, tinatanggap ko na ang future ko bilang official, tagabayad ng lahat ng parcel mo.
promise tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you
Like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye.
Sa mga araw na madalas may toyo ako, minsan mainit ulo pag di ka nasunod, nandyan ka pa din, hindi ka lumalayo, hindi ka nagsasawa.
Sa akin, good luck sa kanya. Ito na, pinasok niya na yung buhay may asawa. Para sa akin din, magpakatatag siya. Sila dalawa.